wasp starting to build a nest, mixes up the wood chippings, the wood fiber with the saliva. Yes, to create a perfect nest, an abandoned nest. And the same saliva is used to waterproof the nests. Yes, the same saliva research is being carried out and is being used in space, say to waterproof the drones, or rather to add a coating to the drones. Yes, and these guys do act as pollinators. Yes, they do pollinate the flowers, and we get food, fruits and everything. Yes, and they do feed on the caterpillars and the bugs that do attack the food crops, mix them up, chew them up, mix them up with saliva, and feed to their larvae in the nursery cells. Larvae cocooned